boring. So guys, what's up? Kain po tayo. Ito nga pala ang pinaka-boring na mukbang. Kita nyo naman, itlog at oatmeal. So ito ang ating day 1. So 50 days tayong maggaganito. Susubukan natin guys. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari sa atin. At tingin ko sana ay mabuhay pa tayo. Kung hindi tayo magkaka 6-pack abs, is magiging kalbo tayo dahil yun ang ating dare ngayon, challenge, no? 50-day transformation. Pag hindi nangyari, ano?
Na magka-abs o ma-lose yun?
6-pack nga eh, di ba?
No, grabe, ang hirap nun.
Hindi, oo, kaya yan, sige. Ano kaya, pag hindi ka totoo?
Let's go to the playground.
Magpapakalbo kasi.
Sige. Papakalbo. Yeah. So, 5 scoops nga pala to guys ng oatmeal. Tapos 3 nilagang itlog. At yun ang ating kakainin for the whole day. Alright. Road to 6-pack abs, baby. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Before 6, no.
Boring.
50. Yeah, boring.
May shell pa. Di pa the shell, Mandy? Really?
Yeah, I didn't. Ew, Papa. Why are there so many shell, Papa? Ew. That's why I don't like putting something.
Karo lang. Masarap lang dahil mainit.
Yeah.
Pero pag malamig, boring.
A boring meal. Sorry, Papa, you can't eat spaghetti or chicken. That's your favorite. Remember chicken?
So good.
Can I check how is it going? I wanna watch your video, so
Yeah?
I'm gonna do it like this.
So guys, kung nagda-diet kayo, sasamahan ko kayo. Let's go. Kahit nakakatamad. Kasi minsan, napakasarap lang na maging normal na tao. Kain na ng kain, inom lang ng inom, bisyo lang ng bisyo. Sarap. Yeah, Mandy, what? While they're saying, Mandy. Good. Woo. Almost done.
Yeah, go, Papa. Go, Papa.
Yeah, thank you.
And don't eat the shell, please. And I don't even like how the shell feels like.
Actually, gutom na tayo bago to guys. Tapos, parang nararamdaman ko na babawasan na yung ating buhay. Ang ating timbang. Pag di ka nagutom, hindi ka mababawasan. So, ito na yun guys.
Yeah, guys. And my papa's gonna do this because last time he was very fat.
Hey, really?
Yeah, because it can be like
nothing beats the oatmeal and egg a day. Ayan na, Mandy. Guys, nararamdaman ko ng 30% na enerhiya sa aking katawan. Holy God.
And guys, after this, Papa will exercise, Papa.
No, done.
Yay, Papa did it!
So mamaya, kape-kape na lang po tayo or water. Dasal-dasal na lang. Pray.
Pray in your God. And thank God when you wake up.
Oh yeah.